Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board. My name is Catherine, and I will be your cabin attendant for this flight. Should you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to ask. May I remind you that smoking and the use of cell phones, regardless of its make or mode, is strictly forbidden on all our flights. Tampering with, damaging, or removal of aircraft emergency equipment, or interfering with the duties of the crew is a criminal offense. You'll find a complimentary magazine in the seat pocket in front of you. We invite you to take your copy with you. Shortly after the seatbelt signs have been switched off, a light snack with fruit juice and water will be served. For now, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this very short flight with us.